wash our faces in the May morning dew. And running tortoise, it keeps you running. I've been doing it all my life, and I'm 22 now. We walk barefoot in the dew to keep the magic in our feet for dancing. Brenda said, if you wash your hands in the May morning dew, you can untie any knot or unlock any door. Just don't tell the robbers Hares seen on May morning are thought to be the fairies out trying to steal the cow's milk. The hare is believed to be one of the fairies in disguise and can change from hare to human to fairy as it wishes. There is a well-known story of the farmer seeing the hare stealing the milk, and he swung at her with a black thorn stick, injuring her leg. The hare ran away up through the fields, and the farmer followed her where she ran into an old farmhouse. When the farmer ran into the house after her, the hare had disappeared, and instead a woman was sitting on the chair by the fire with her leg bleeding. There are loads of fairy stories, but we'll wait for the dark evening of winter to tell you those around the fire. Fairies are up to the most mischief on May Day. We have a rainforest behind our house. There's a big circle in the land. That's where the fairies live. On May Day, the fairy piper plays and the fairies dance and have a big party. But if you hear the music, you can't join them for a dance. If you do, they might keep you